This is my 93 Chevy C3500, and I just found out I have a leaking Hydroboost unit. So today I'm gonna try to replace the Hydroboost without fully disconnecting the master cylinder. First, I'm gonna disconnect the master cylinder from the Hydroboost unit through these two bolts. I'm gonna carefully slide this forward. And I wanna put too much tension on these brake lines because they are 30 years old. Next, I'm going to disconnect the lines. Got some coming out of that. Now that we have everything disconnected, it's time to go inside the cab and disconnect the brake pedal from the push rod, which is this rod right up here. And then we unbolt these 4 bolts and the Hydroboost unit will slide out. Took that off with my hand. There we go. Got my impact with an extension and a swivel socket. We got all those bolts disconnected. So now this should just slide straight out. Verified these units are identical. Definitely want to do that before you fully commit to doing the install. But next we have to take out this spring and push rod, and I'm just working this little spider clip out. Let's see, I can't really do it without putting the camera down, but just slowly kind of working this out. And then there's a spring behind this, and we're gonna install it into the new unit with this little retainer clip here. Set it into the hole just like that, and then push this in place. Now it is ready to go back in. Slide this in the hole first and make sure everything lines up. Perfect. Okay. And I supported the master cylinder too. It was just kind of hanging there. Didn't really like the way that was sitting. Got all of our fasteners back on and the push rod reconnected. Okay. It's tight. Now we have our lines back on. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this line. This is gonna be the return line to the power steering pump. I'm gonna empty the power steering pump, put in some new fluid, and then we're gonna hook up a hose right here, and we're gonna flush this system. Just empty out the old power steering pump with this turkey baster. Now that's drained, we're gonna fill it back up with some fresh fluid. Now when we fire this truck up, the return line is going to be full of that old power steering fluid that's still in the system, and we're going to come out here, make sure we're topped off on our power steering pump, turn the wheel, pump the brakes, put that Hydroboost unit to work, and it should flush the system out, and then we'll be good to go. So now our power steering pump is topped off and the fluid in our hose is clear. So this job is done. We're just gonna hook up the return line to the power steering pump. All right, we got it buttoned up. We'll do a final test here. Seems to be working good. Push on the brake. It's holding. And yeah, it works. Well, I hope this video helped you swap the Hydroboost unit on your truck. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.